guys, Attila here from SOS. Look, there's some interesting stuff that's going on in the whole cybersecurity space these days, and you know, there's so much, but I wanted to pick one this week that I thought you'd really benefit from. And it's all about these new apps that were discovered on the Google Play Store, over 18,000 of them, and they were all found to be transmitting information to advertisers that they're not supposed to be doing. That's bad, right? So Google is investigating this right now. But here's the long and short of it. You can download an app, and then that app will pick up unique information about your phone and you and what you do online, as well as the kind of activities you do on that app, and then it reports it to an advertiser, which then matches it with another app that's also reporting to it. So the idea is that these two apps are now talking to you, and they can figure out what kind of person you are and what you're interested in. If you're a single mom, it probably knows. If you're a student, it probably knows. The idea is that it's able to pick up all this information and give you highly targeted ads. Have you noticed that sometimes these ads that are showing up on your phone are exactly what you're looking for? You say, I didn't know I was looking for that, but there it is. Isn't that weird? This is how it's happening. Now, I've put together a top 20 list, which we're going to put together in this description. That top 20 list is going to have the top 20 worst offenders in terms of these ads, these ad-based apps that are ruining your Android experience. And on that list are Angry Birds. There's Audible on there. There's well, let's not get into Facebook, but there's some pretty big offenders on there. So make sure you go on that list. You can see that. I'm also going to put a link to our blog, which has links directly to each one of those apps and to which, what's the offending bit in that particular app that that's messing up your security. So that's what you should really do, is take a look at that list, see if there's any of those apps on your phone. And if there are, be sure to remove them right away. And if you have any other suspicious apps that you might use, maybe there's Trello, or you use some other messaging apps, you can go onto this link at the very bottom, and that link will allow you to look up that app and see if it's an offending party. Now, this is really important that you go through your phone, check your security, check your apps, because your phone, as we know, is a little computer in your pocket, and all that stuff that you're doing on it can be freely available for advertisers if the app players don't play by the rules. Hopefully Google is going to do something about this, but today we're stuck. So it's up to you. Go do something about it, and if you have any questions or problems, you can always reach us. You know how to reach us through the web, through phone, by email. Give us a ring. I'm Attila with SOS. See you soon.